Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended warm congratulations to Russian President Vladimir Putin following his resounding victory in the Russian election on Monday. Taking to his official X account, PM Modi said, "Warm congratulations to Mr. Vladimir Putin on his re-election as the President of the Russian Federation. Look forward to working together to further strengthen the time-tested, special and privileged strategic partnership between India and Russia in the years to come." On Monday, Vladimir Putin solidified his grip on Russia for another 6 years through a landslide victory in an election marred by the most severe crackdown on opposition and free expression since the Soviet era. Despite calls to protect Putin's domestic repression and military actions in Ukraine, Russians defied the inevitable outcome by turning up at polling stations en masse on Sunday at noon. However, as early results poured in, it became evident that Putin would continue his nearly quarter-century reign with the fifth term. With nearly all precincts reporting by Monday, election officials announced that Putin had garnered a record-breaking number of votes, reaffirming his absolute control over Russia's political landscape. China's President Xi Jinping also extended his congratulations to Vladimir Putin on Monday, affirming that the strategic partnership between their nations would further solidify. "We firmly believe that under the strategic guidance of President Xi Jinping and President Putin, China-Russia relations will continue to move forward," Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesman Lin Jian told reporters when asked about the vote. China and Russia are each other's largest neighbors and comprehensive strategic partners in the new era. In recent years, China has deepened its relations with Russia, a trend that has continued despite mounting Western criticism of Russia's actions in Ukraine. Reports indicate that China and Russia are planning multiple meetings between President Xi Jinping and Vladimir Putin throughout the year. Putin has wielded power in Russia as president or prime minister since December 1919, overseeing a period characterized by international military assertiveness and a growing crackdown on dissent. If he completes his fifth term, Putin would surpass even Catherine the Great to become the longest-serving leader in Russian history since the 18th century.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.